Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 24th, 2021. We have here only three regular Sudokus. First one is a binary, then we have a medium Sudoku, and the third one is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And I have not so good news. Every day we have no good news, but today, for the people who like to puzzle, we have no extra Sudokus, no additional. Let me show you. No additional. That means I need to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper, in yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday. So here, so in the Tuesday newspaper here, Tuesday, November the 23rd, we have 4 puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, tectonic, and a binary puzzle. But first we will solve these 3 puzzles, these 3 regular puzzles. First one is a binary puzzle. This will be number. Which number will it be? I think 3728. Yes, 3728. 28. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5, not 4. Last time I've made a mistake. Not 4 O's or 4 ones. No, 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O here, the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes in O, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. double one, here no, there no. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. The fifth O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Well, this is an easy one, yes. And I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.